just wondering, I think I'm going to show you one more really advanced kick, just because I think you would like it. So it's called the tornado kick. Tornado kick is a 360-degree kick in which you go up, jump up, and then you use the roundhouse kick that we did before and land the kick and then land on the ground. So for the kick, again, we are using the top part of the foot, and it's going to look like this. So this is a full range of motion, and you can also hold it if you want, like that, or you can just release it. So what we're going to do now is practice this step by step. So go forward, turn, lift the leg up, and kick. I know it's a lot, but you can do it. So we're going to start with the right leg in the back, step forward. This is when we start the movement. Okay, so first forward, and at this moment the left leg is already starting to turn. So this is like going to be a full turn like this. I'll show you. This is like this. Okay, but we're not stopping here, right? We're going to go one more circle. So here, I'm going to go here. So one, left leg lifts up, 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 and then the right leg will do the kick. So whichever leg is in the back, that's the one that's gonna move forward, and that's the one that's gonna kick. So I'm gonna do the right leg kick. So right leg forward, turn, 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 keep turning, lift up the left leg, lift, lift, and at the moment we are here, up, that's when you have to release the right leg. So there is a little jumping motion involved here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it again. So 1, 2, up, and kick. Okay, I think you've got it. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Right leg in the back. Forward. Lift up the left leg. And release the kick with the right leg. Okay, let's do it together. One more time. Slowly. Just having fun. Just release it. One more time. And of course, you can keep going in this motion, which is really fun. One more time. Okay, last move. Breathe out. Concentrate. Go. Okay, so that was the tornado kick. I hope you liked it. I know it's difficult, but I know you can do it.